The Georgia Manufacturing Alliance is the #1 resource for manufacturers across the state. As part of our association, you will learn best practices, sharpen your skills with year-round plant tours, educational sessions, and networking events. Go behind the scenes to see world-class manufacturing in action with the best brands in the state of Georgia.
I would definitely recommend this to the manufacturers in the Southeast.
Anybody that has anything to do with manufacturing, you should be here.
Just really enjoyed the benefits of networking with other manufacturers in the state of Georgia.
Everyone can share ideas and be able to collaborate and make manufacturing better.
In October, we gather for our summit, the manufacturing event of the year for Georgia's business community. All members are listed in our Amazon best-selling Georgia Manufacturing Directory that is mailed to the top manufacturers in the state. Membership in the GMA helps you engage on the next level, connect with manufacturers, educate your team, and promote your business to increase profits. We invite you to join the most active community of manufacturing professionals in Georgia.